Good day, my great, wonderful, excellent students. How are you? This is your basic science teacher, and our topic for today is drug abuse. First of all, what is a drug? A drug is any substance apart from food that is taken into our body, and because of the nature of the drug, it affects the structure or functions of the body of the person that takes the drug. You can also say drug is any chemical taken to affect the way the body works. Drug is any chemical taken to enjoy better health. Drug is any chemical taken to feel relaxed and relief from pain and stress. You can see we've given different definitions to a drug. Drugs are meant to be administered or taken under the proper supervision of a doctor or any other trained medical personnel. And you know from our definition the reason why we take drug. What is drug abuse itself? When a drug is misused, that is when it is not taken according to the instructions given by the doctor or medical personnel, but the drug is used for a purpose it is not meant for, or used for the appropriate purpose but in a wrong dosage, then that drug has been abused. Drug abuse is the act of taking drugs in improper amount and manner and without the prescription of a qualified medical doctor. For example, now you are meant to take 2 tablets of paracetamol, and you say, I've been taking 2 tablets of paracetamol for so long, it does not have any effect on me. Let me take 4. I'm sure 4 will work better. That is a very good example of drug abuse. At times, some people will say, when you combine this drug and this drug together, it works best without the advice of a medical personnel. For example, you decide to take vitamin C and malaria tablet together. It is not meant to be, because due to findings of this medical personnel, they have discovered that when you are taking malaria drug and you take vitamin C, the vitamin C reduces the efficacy or the efficiency of the malaria drug. Therefore, they advise that don't take vitamin C when you are taking your malaria drug, that you should abstain from anything containing vitamin C. In what ways do we abuse drug or misuse drug? For example, someone who is not old enough to use the drug but is using it anyway. Another one that we have, someone who has prescription for pain or anxiety medication and takes a different amount than what is prescribed by the doctor. Then, if you don't have the prescription at all for a drug, but you decide to prescribe a drug yourself, or combination of different drugs when they should not be. It can be maybe drinking of alcohol while taking prescription drug, in spite of warning label regarding this. Another one, taking drug to gain confidence or boldness to commit crime. Then people taking drug and engaging in activities that are not advisable. You take Actifed, which is used for cold, and it will make you sleep. Then you decide that you want to go to ShopRite and you want to drive, or you want to take a bike. You know that is very, very dangerous. What are the social risk factors in drug abuse? Number 1, family. A child that grows in an atmosphere which lacks parental care, guidance, or a child who lives in a broken home or a drug-dependent family may become a drug abuser, because the child will not see anything wrong in using drugs anyhow. Number 2, the school. Peer pressure. The availability of drugs at school and in the community, as well as poor economic condition, can result in drug abuse. Number 3, individual. The individual. A person that has low or negative needs and a low self-esteem is never satisfied with needs and such a person may be lured or decide to start abusing drugs. Peer group influence. When you are unable to resist peer pressure or in the desire to fit in, to belong, to be among the winning crowd, the person has to take drug. For example, cocaine, tobacco, ecstasy. All these are social risk factors, and you can still remember the effects of drug abuse. It can damage the body organs, lead to madness, lead to violent antisocial behavior, lead to addiction, lead to theft, lead to life of crime, lead to even death, destruction of the future. Such a person will never be able to concentrate in school and never amount to anything. We've come to the end of our class today. I hope from what I've explained and what you can see, you understand perfectly. God be with you. Bless you. Bye for now.